Tesla continued its move up today. We are up $14.10. We closed at 410.04 post-market, up $3.56. So let's just recap what happened last week. Last week was very intense. So this is the bullish channel that we are in. We are still into this bullish channel right here. This is the top. So on this move that we are having right now, we could be reaching the top of this bullish channel eventually. So the top of the bullish channel would mean 460, 480, depending on when we are going to reach it. And that would be pretty much in line with the all-time high that we had. The all-time high was right here at 484. So this is the all-time high right here. So, you know, it makes sense. Everything is all aligned to reach this. And that would be at the same time, as I said, the resistance side of this bullish channel right here. So that would be pretty interesting. Yesterday on Friday, we had the break of 372. We had identified, look at my videos in the past, 372 was identified weeks ago as a very important milestone to break, because we tried to break it not too long ago and we fell lower and then we started to go higher. So breaking that 372 was very important to have a nice move. So far, the nice move is continuing. Today we have a red candles. We have a gap up today. So we gapped up. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. The first hour of the day, we gapped up. So we opened today at 423. We stayed there for 4 hours, just above 415.47 right here. Then we had a little bit of support at 411.71, but we just went through it like it was nothing. But we did not go that far down. We stopped a little bit higher than 465. So 465 is the support, as is 403.30. If we take a look at the 5-minute chart, it's pretty clear. 403.30 right here. This is where we bounced. 403.30. And now we are on our way back to 411.71. This is the number you need to remember if you have missed the move up to this point. There may be a second entry at 411.71 right here. And on the 5-minute chart, everything is all good. We have stochastic, we have our reversal indicator just turning bullish before the close. Nothing is for sure, but things are looking good. What we can assess in terms of criteria, this is all looking good. So this is the 1 hour chart right now. So on the 1 hour chart, this is the current bullish channel, which also gives us the rate of ascent. So this is the bullish channel right here. And with the move that we had today, we extended ourselves a little bit further from the bullish channel. And now we are coming back to support. And it seems like we are bouncing because we have 2 candles like this. So it's really possible that 411.71 works tomorrow. So that would bring us back at least to 426.47 and maybe a little bit higher, reaching maybe 440. So that's a possibility that can happen. In terms of indicators, everything is all good. The stochastic is there, DMI is there, and our reversal indicator is also there. So there is a definite possibility. We need to say that this move won't last a long time. We have had 3 days where things have been going higher pretty fast. Last Thursday, which we cut on the 1 hour chart. This one that happened last Friday was cut on the daily chart. And this one is a continuation. So see, we have 3 really steep move up. This won't last a long time. This is how Tesla moves. It moves fast, then stabilizes. We are in the move phase, but maybe we are due for a stabilization. And as I said, it can come at 440 or if we are lucky at 467. And if you want to learn how to draw those lines on any stock, I have a masterclass, a Trendlines masterclass. Will happen October 12th. This is a Sunday. You can click on the link in the description below, and my Discord members get this for free. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX is a little bit higher today. We are up 0.93, up 6% at 1568. Still not too bad, but we need to keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So Dow Jones, we have broken the milestone last Thursday, breaking 45,767. And now we are pulling back a little bit and resting right smack on support. This is what's supposed to happen. And also smack on this horizontal resistance. So far so good. We should be bouncing on this. It's Wednesday that things are really going to move up or down, because this is where we are going to get the federal interest rate decision. We are at 4.5% right now. Everybody and their sisters are expecting the Fed to lower the interest rates. If they are lowered by 0.25%, I think people will be disappointed. If it's lowered by 0.5%, I think people will be a little bit more enthused. Maybe tomorrow the markets are just going to be a little bit iffy in expectation of what is going to happen on Wednesday. SPX has broken outside of its bullish channel resistance. We have been waiting for this for a long time. We could not complain too much because SPX was climbing higher and higher, but this was the rate of the climb. This is a very slow, constant rate. But once we break outside of a resistance, then we tend to have a faster rate. So hopefully this is going to materialize maybe tomorrow ahead of the Fed, or maybe on Wednesday. NASDAQ also continuing higher. This is all looking good. The stock indices are just going higher. So it means that the whole market is moving. It's not just Tesla. Tesla is moving faster, but the whole market is also moving. This is providing us some confidence that things should be continuing. Russell also slow and steady, but we like this. Let's take a look at the heat map of the market. So pretty much even, Steven. We have some red, we have some green. Let's take a look at gold, silver, and Bitcoin. So gold really close to its bullish channel resistance. Silver has broken above and it's continuing. This is a good example. This is exactly what is happening right now with SPX. It was hugging the resistance, then boom, we had a break, and then it continued. This is not a bad time to enter silver. Maybe last Friday was a little bit better. It was a little bit lower, but you can still do something about this one. There's some resistance at close to 15 bucks. Bitcoin maintaining itself. This is not the biggest move in the world, but since we have broken even 940, remember that one, making higher lows and could not break above 40s. There was some pressure brewing right here, and then boom, we had a pop. We are moving. For the past 3 days, we are slowly moving down. Support is very close, so maybe within a day or two, we should be having a bounce right here. That might coincide with the Fed rate also. Ethereum, the same thing. We had a nice move recently, getting back up to 47.83, but we could not break above it. We tried for 2 days and now we are caving in a little bit. So far, we are bouncing on 44.91. Look at the wick right here. And on the 1 hour chart, we see it very nicely. So it dropped, and look at this perfection right here. It's just staying above. It goes below, but it closes above. Every 1 hour candle so far has closed above. This is a good sign. Let's hope that we are going to bounce on that. And the BMNR, one of my favorite Ethereum treasury. This one is a little bit down, but the move is really nice. We have support right here, nice support. We came to support, we bounced on it very slowly, a little bit faster on Friday, pulling back a little bit. As soon as we have a little bit of a move on Ethereum, this could be reaching 70 bucks. So that would be really nice if this happens. Let's take a look at some Tesla news that are getting piped automatically into our Discord server. Elon Musk buys 1 billion worth of Tesla shares. So this happened last Thursday. Elon purchased 1 billion worth of Tesla shares on Friday. His first open market buy since 2020, as he seeks greater control over the company as it pivots to robo-taxis and AI. So this has certainly helped Tesla stock move, and the fact that they are talking about it is going to help it even further. And finally, some good sales news for Tesla. Tesla Giga Berlin makes big move amid strong sales and demand. We currently have very good sales figures and have therefore revised our production plans for the third and fourth quarters upward. This is good news. We have been hearing bad news about Tesla sales. It is interesting to see this kind of narrative from this person, especially as data has shown Tesla has struggled in various markets, including Germany this year. Sales drops have been reported, but other markets are holding strong, especially those in Northern Europe, such as Norway, where the Model Y saw a 39% increase in sales in August compared to the same month the previous year. It is as if everything is starting to change slowly. We are getting some good news from sales. Elon is buying some stocks. AI is coming soon. We are seeing the tide changing, and we can see it on the chart itself. So another great day for Tesla. A little bit of a gap up. It's possible that we fill up that gap. There's always a possibility when we have a gap that it gets filled, but sometimes when the move is so strong, it just continues. So we'll see what is going to happen tomorrow. If you want to get back in, a nice entry is after 411.71. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.